Hey there! I'm thrilled to guide you through this journey. Today, we're kicking things off with a simple but powerful question. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even understanding language. But AI isn't some futuristic sci-fi dream. It's already part of your everyday life. Think about when Netflix suggests what to watch next, or when your phone unlocks using facial recognition. Those are all powered by AI. Other examples? Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, smart email filters, and even self-driving cars. AI can be broken down into a few categories. Machine learning, when computers learn from data to make predictions. Natural language processing, understanding and responding to human language. Automation, AI completing repetitive tasks for you. AI is here to make life easier. And in this course, we'll show you how to use it to boost productivity both at work and at home. Ready to dive deeper? Let's go!